One. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a new guest. His name is HML or Harper, either way. And today,
PLVR. That's my channel name.
yes, go subscribe to him. He's pretty cool. He makes some Animal Company videos, and
stuff like
we are going to be
Baboon and stuff like that.
yeah, some popular VR games. Today we are going to do some pretty cool items all in this bag. Thank you for this guy helping me. He's going to help me get some key cards and stuff.
Yeah.
So let's go do this. Let's go to office.
We could just go through
You want to go to the TV?
Go through the TV.
Okay.
Easy. Okay. Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go this way.
Why did I get a
Alright, so
rocket?
we're gonna need 3 key cards. We're gonna need 3 key cards. So
Wait, I don't have a
yeah.
weapon. I don't have a weapon.
it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Are you sure it's fine?
Yeah, we just need 3 key cards and that's all we need.
What? No. Bro, let's go get a pickaxe.
No, I found the 2nd key card.
I found the 3rd one. That's bad.
Alright, I'll grab it.
Here, I'll stay looking.
Okay, let's get out of here.
You idiot. Bro.
It's not over there.
Go.
It's right here.
Rapple
Go.
shield.
Come on, Harper, let's go.
Whee! So grapple ceiling.
Yep. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait, Mr. Jimmy is over.
What the? What are the 2 Jimmys, bro?
I don't know.
Bro.
I got this. Okay, I'm adding in the egg. Watch the bars, see if they increase.
Yo, first try.
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah? Nice.
We good.
Nice. Okay.
Mr. Jimmy. Bro.
No.
Bro.
First.
Bro.
Oh. Didn't notice he was there.
Get out of here. Get out.
They're both in here. What is this, bro?
Maybe we should go shut it once they get out.
I got him. I'm gonna lead him out.
Bro, we need to click the button. Jesus! Get out of here.
No, don't go yet.
Oh, they're gone.
Let's go.
I will do
Okay.
the honors. I will do the honor for the key card.
Don't.
Oh shoot, bro! How How the hell did he get back in
Oh,
here?
get out.
Okay,
Okay, we're good.
I'm gonna go put in the key card.
Come back. Come back, come back.
Okay.
Don't put it in yet. You can't anyway.
What?
Oh. Come on, man.
Bro! Just get out.
Okay, come on. First item we will be doing today. Let's see. We are just bro.
This is the worst code ever.
Gotta be kidding me.
Just get out of here, Jimmy.
Okay. Restart. First item we will be doing
Brother!
today.
Brother! You are so lucky.
Leave, buddy. Okay.
Come on, man.
Leave, bro. We're trying to record a video.
Wait. I did not mean to do that. Okay. Just leave now, please.
Bro, the other Jimmy's coming in.
Bro, do you have that RPG?
Yeah.
Bring it up here. Bring it up here.
I know what to do.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna shoot their butts out of here.
Anyways, okay. First item we'll be doing today is this RPG.
Bro,
Gotta wait for both of them to come in here.
yep. Yep.
Where did he go?
Sure. Where's the other Jimmy?
Alright, buddy. I'm just gonna kill this guy.
Just do it.
Finally, he's dead. Bro!
How did I die?
Don't worry about it.
Try to grab the crate.
Just respawn. You need to get a melee weapon anyway.
Okay.
We're gonna restart the recording. For obvious reasons.
No, I'm not gonna restart it.
Well, I restarted mine.
I'm gonna get the normal pickaxe just so it feels normal. Okay.
Okay,
Oh, we need the
Let me get-
grappler.
yep.
Grappler, and then run.
Hold up, wait. We need to start the recording.
Okay. Well, I'm still recording. Yo, YouTuber Jess, Ernest join me.
Okay, did you get the grappler in the bag? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Grapper.
Is there a space in Coal VR?
No, but let's just go get the
Go.
eggs. Because I don't want to waste another 3 eggs. Okay, we're gonna start the recording right here. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. This is me and Harper going down into office. We're gonna dupe some cool items that are in this pack. We are going to dip and get some key cards. Actually, no, we're gonna go get our bags that we just lost because we did something.
Which you should not know what we did. Wait up.
Well, I'm already in the phone area.
Oh!
Alright.
We need the RPG. Murder! Destroy this man!
Oh,
Okay.
that felt so good to do.
Grab the RPG! Get it! We're first duping the RPG, right?
Okay. We're ready. What'd you put in?
RPG.
Oh, okay. Yep, the first item we're duping is an RPG. Let's dupe it. Oh yeah! We got a mini one. Oh, you
Two
take it, you
minis.
take it.
2 minis and that's it, seriously?
I think one fell down here. Never mind. But I could have sworn I could have sworn I saw something fall down.
Maybe it was you.
Okay. Alright. You drop this crate.
Make a flashlight.
Okay. First, we shall add the next egg.
What?
Where are the eggs?
They're not in my bag.
A shotgun!
Wow.
Wait. Dude, where are the eggs? Alright, let's go get the eggs. Oh, there's a bag.
shotgun. Thank you.
Ooh.
But do you think we could do this?
No, probably not.
Okay. Gotta go get some more eggs.
I dare you to slam your pickaxe against that.
Against what?
The RPG ammo?
Okay, I know what it does though.
Okay, I'll do it then.
Don't you dare. Oh, it's Stuckies. Bro. Don't
You ready? Give me afterlife.
dare.
Bro. Yeah.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay. Nice. I'm gonna die now. Respawn.
Monkey, 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 monkey.
Do you want to do the arena mode and record that?
Yeah.
Okay. In today's video, we are going to play the new arena mode. You become blue.
I'm on blue.
So me and him are gonna
Click
go
red,
down. This
click
guy
red.
named is Harper. Pretty cool. And we're gonna start the game in 3, 2. It's not letting me grab the guns.
Just put your hand on it.
No, like actually. No, stop. Look.
Here, I'm gonna end the game real quick. So.
Oh yeah. That's weird.
Wait, let me see if I can respawn and it'll do it.
Okay, so apparently I'm on the blue team.
Did
The shotguns are so much better.
Boy. Finally, got you, bro.
Okay.
Box! That hitbox is crazy.
Brother.
I hit my life.
Brother. Okay, I'm dead. Don't you dare!
Box, bro, that was nowhere near me.
Who's that?
Look, I got a shotgun and pistol.
I dropped my gun. Ah!
Shotgun! Shotgun! Shotgun!
Okay.
Aim.
Bro, it's not fair. I spawned on the other side of the map.
Ooh, what? Oh no! I'm going with pistols.
Bro, my game was glitched. It was literally spawning me across the map.
Wait, I'm gonna go to spectate mode.
My team.
I know. Wait, this is infinite W's.
But it doesn't do anything. It doesn't.
Yay!
He's letting me get so much ore, by the way. Where did you get shotguns?
Brother.
Fox, I was not even near you.
I know.
many, bro.
That's what I call 2-1. So that's it for this video, guys. But if you want to see anything else like it, make sure to go down, hit the like button, and subscribe.
Nope. Onto my place, bro. It's not fair. Oh, I got a lot down, bro.
Yeah.
All right, we're in safe zone.
How the heck do you shoot so fast?
Oh, I got so many, bro.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jumping now. Oh, leave me alone. How do you do so fast? What the heck?
What is this?
Dang it.
I mean.
So that's officially it for this video, guys. But if you want to go down, hit the like button and subscribe. You are welcome to do it. And I would love 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
That is it for this beautiful arena video. You love my yacht. Got a yacht.
Yes, I love you, yacht.
Boink. I got that yacht. Yacht. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow on my daily upload. So, see ya.